It's 2:47 in the morning, November 5th. I'm looking at XRP. It's a cryptocurrency, and I'm on TradingView, and I'm on the 4-hour timeline. I'm gonna keep this very short. Okay, I'll be very brief. This will be very concise. Let me just get straight to it. So the reason why I'm recording this video is because something very interesting happened very recently. So I got an alert like a couple days ago on my phone saying that XRP was down 5% in the last few hours, and that XRP was at $2.41. So I went and checked out the chart. I noticed the previous low, or the previous key level we have here, is at 240, right? Because we can see here XRP came from this point, chart all the way down here to this demand zone, rejected it. As we can see here with this major wick, again, in this demand zone. I'll even draw a box for you guys so that, you can understand exactly what I'm saying. So, major rejection off of this demand zone here, again. Price came up, consolidated, and then we see price come falling down all the way to $2 and about 10 cents. So as we can see, there was a major rejection here at that point. Now price is pulling back up. So I want to bring this to you guys' attention, because this is a great buying opportunity. You want to get in at a discount. What's happening is they are doing a liquidity sweep. So all of these buyers here with stop losses at these levels, like 240, 230, as we can see here, if we go back to October 17th, price came down to 230, and then there was a major rejection, as we can see, right? Because boop, there's a gap here, and then we see this major bullish candlestick here before price started coming back down to this level, 240, and then trail back up to create a new high, right, at about 275 or 240, 274, I mean. So before, and that's before we retested this demand zone here at 240. So with all of these buyers being taken out, all of their stop losses got hit, right? There's a lot of liquidity in the market. So what happens is the market makers, whatever you want to call them, the banks, they are going to get in with a much greater pot at these lower levels, because they understand how the market works. Okay, they understand simple, basic concepts: buy low, sell high, buy low and hold. So again, you all need to be getting into XRP now. And if you are not somebody who wants to be very technical, if you're not somebody that wants to be on the charts, doing technical analysis, then you can just dollar cost average. But make sure when you're dollar cost averaging, at least have your alerts set up. So what everybody can do, whether you're dollar cost averaging or doing technical analysis, or maybe even both, what everybody can do is put a horizontal line on their charts right now, and then go to their settings. Okay. If it'll let me, I don't know what's going on. All right, there we go. So you got to right click the horizontal line. We're going to go to coordinates. We're going to put in 2.4. That's going to put the horizontal line exactly at the $2.40 price point. So then we're going to do Control C to copy that line, and then do Control V to duplicate it. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to right click, go to settings, and then we're going to now put our coordinate at 2.3. All right. So what I'm doing is showing you guys where you can be setting your alerts. These are key levels that we just marked. How are these key levels? How do I know that these are key levels? Because these are numbers that are zeroed out. As you can see, 2.4000, 2.3000. These are key levels. These aren't random levels. But that's not the only deciding factor. We have we have correlation, okay? We have confluence. So where's the confluence? You may be wondering. Well, without even needing this box to be drawn here. So let's delete that. We can see that price has respected the $2.40 price point twice. Here and here, right? See that? Here and here. Not only that, but we can also see that price had respected the $2.30 range, right? Now, price is never gonna always respect it to the T. It's going to respect that general area. So like if you want to draw maybe a square around your horizontal line like this, you can drag it all the way out to get kind of like a general area. You can do that. That's what I used to do when I first started using not trend lines, but horizontal lines. That's one thing you can do to kind of make your chart, beginner friendly or just easier for you in general. But also, like if I was taking a trade right now, or if I was looking to take a trade, I would be looking, if I'm getting into sales, which I wouldn't be doing that because in reality, I'm not somebody that's looking to be getting into sales ever on crypto. I am only bullish on crypto, and I stick to just a couple cryptocurrencies. XRP, Bitcoin. That's it for right now. Like that's it. But I would never be bearish. Even though this could be a selling opportunity. So let me get into that. Let me get into that right now. So what I was gonna say is, if I were to be looking for sales, right, on XRP, I would be looking to see price reject the general area of this $2.30 price range, right? So I would, if I felt like it, I would just draw a box around that line just like that, and then I would wait to see what price is gonna do around this area. So I would like look for a doji candlestick or a major rejection wick off of that level, and then like a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, that signals that price is gonna come right back down, something like that. But yeah, so I mean, my conclusion is XRP has already taken out these lows, and we see a major rejection candlestick here, and we already see prices now like started to pull back. So I think now that we have all of that covered, I see price looking to do this. Let me just go ahead and pull out my arrow tool real quick. All right. I'm looking to see price do one of these. I don't know why it's not letting me. All right, there we go. Now it could come back around here, consolidate, or it could just like break straight through it, and then we could see price come pull back into that $2.40 range, and then start going right back up. So that's what I see happening. That's my prediction, but we all have our own perspective, so take everything that I said with a grain of salt. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just somebody that learned technical analysis, and so I just wanted to share my opinions and my perspective on the charts. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less. But I appreciate you all for tuning in, and I would appreciate it if you all would give me a follow on my social medias. It is linked in the description. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and leave a like and share the video. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you, and God bless. Peace.